Hello everybody, this is Thomas and Krista Shirley from Throne Builders.
Hey!
So today,
Yay, lemons!
we want to talk about a lemon cleanse that cleanses your lymph system and super calciumifies your system. And
I can't juggle.
even the circus didn't want her, believe it or not. Anyways, here are some things that you're gonna need for this video. You're gonna need 2 organic lemons. Yes, they need to be organic. If they have the chemicals in them, the heavy chemicals, then they're gonna counteract a little bit of the benefit. You need a knife, a cutting board,
a 2 tablespoon thingamabobber,
measuring
or
spoon.
you can use a 1 tablespoon.
You can use 1 tablespoon twice, or you can use a 2 tablespoon once, or you can use a ½ tablespoon 4 times.
Let's not do that.
Math is easy if you really pay attention to the way the numbers work. You also need a blender, organic cold pressed olive oil.
This is good stuff. It's from Costco.
We've chosen that brand because it's a great brand. We'll provide an affiliate link for a good quality oil in the description below for you. You need a spoon that is not like the spoon that Krista has.
Right.
You need a nylon or a metal strainer. Nylon's preferred. A bowl, and then that's all you wrote. A couple of cups of ice, and we're ready to go.
Here we go.
So we're gonna cut the lemons up.
And why are you cutting those up?
I'm cutting these up because you're going to use the entire lemon in this cleanse. The rind has tons of calcium in it, and the calcium and the vitamin C mixed together with the water and the oil somehow provide your body with a very powerful lymph system cleanse. Pretty amazing.
Yep, it cleanses the whole lymph system. And lemons alkaline your body.
That's right. Okay, so once you have the lemons in the blender, you want about 1 cup per lemon, okay?
Yep.
And then we're gonna blend it. Now you're gonna let it blend for about 3 minutes, so we'll get the ball rolling, and then we'll come back when it's done blending, okay? But you wanna start it on low. Give it a second to adjust. Turn it up on high and give it about 3 minutes. All right, so we blended it about 3 minutes, and then we're going to strain.
Yep, and you can get these strainers anywhere. We got ours at Walmart just because it was a good price on it.
And then you just want to gently work the pulp, work the liquid through the strainer, and capture the pulp with the strainer.
It's actually a really quick job, actually. So when you do it for the first time, you'll see what I mean. It's very quick and easy to do this. And I was going to tell you earlier too, and I forgot, but I want to make sure I don't forget. Make sure that you do this on an empty stomach. Now you don't have to, but I think it works better on an empty stomach.
At least a couple of hours after you eat solid foods is ideal.
Yeah, that's
that way it gets into your bloodstream real quick and real strong, okay?
And too, if you've been sick or you have a cold or you feel like you're getting a cold or you just feel kind of bleh, you can do this actually several times a week safely, and you will gain great health from it, and you'll feel better.
It's really good stuff. So there's the pulp. So we'll put that off to the side over here.
Yeah.
We'll put our mixture back in the blender because we want to mix the oil with it now. And as I said, the basic recipe is 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of oil, and about a cup of water. You mix the lemon, you cut up the lemon, blend it with the water, strain it, put it back in the blender, and add 2 tablespoons per lemon. And since we're doing 2 drinks at the same time, we're doing 4 tablespoons of oil for this.
So that was 4 tablespoons total.
Okay.
Here we go.
And so we're just going to do a quick mix on this because it doesn't need to be blended. It just needs to be mixed up. Okay. Now, the moment of truth.
I'm about to feel real good. Yummy. I love lemons.
Okay.
So what are we going to toast to?
To lemony good health. Lemony good health.
Sounds good to me.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Lemony.
It's lemonade.
But
very good.
The oil protects your stomach.
Yes, it does.
Unless you have real serious acid reflux issues, the oil is what keeps the concoction from causing you issues in your gut.
Yeah.
And it is lemony, but it's a delicious, refreshing drink that will provide you a lot of energy and strength. And if you do it long term, it will help clean out your lymph system, provide you lots of calcium and vitamin C.
And it also cleans out your liver, by the way.
So thank you so much for watching this video. We look forward to your feedback in the comments below.
Cheers.
Thank you so much for watching the video. We'd like for you to like and subscribe to our video channel on YouTube. Get the boom mic out of here. What is wrong with you? Get this boom mic out. Get it out of my face.